Hello and welcome back. Today I'll be showing you how to build a Lego horse, but not with the knight. The knight is from the 1978 yellow castle. So if you're a kid, you probably will not have that. So let's get straight into building. So first, you need to get two 2x4 base plates of any color. Make sure it's probably like a horse related color. Next, you put a 2x2 plate on top. You get your other 2x4 plate and put it on like that. Just pause so you can have a look. Okay, good. Next, you get an inverted slope here, like that, and get two 1x2s. Next, place two of the 1x2s on top until you get a leg, like that. It's really good. Next, you get the body you just built. Place it like there. That's the front of the horse. Next, so you built an exact mirror image of that, except instead of having two, you've got one by two. Place that on the bottom. Actually, you can actually put a 1x2 under there, but if you want to make it look like it's sitting, just remove that 1x2, put it like that. Next, you can also put a saddle on top like that. My sister came up with that brilliant idea. Next, grab a 2x2 of any color. Make sure it's a horse-related color, or else you'll have a blue horse or a green horse, an alien horse. Next, grab a 2x2 slope. Place it here. Now get a 2x2 plate. Place it here. Get another one. Get another 2x2 slope. We're gonna need to place it just here. And then that's your horse basically done. But if you want some ears, then of course you can put it on like that. There you go. That's the horse. Here is the black horse with the 1x2 down the bottom there, and then there. You're done. Thanks for watching and bye and hope you like this video. Leave a like if you want to see more videos. Thank you and bye.